The tech world is currently obsessed with the giants. We are told that bigger is better, that more pixels require more glass, and that pro performance belongs exclusively to the massive 13-inch slabs that barely fit in a backpack. But while the masses are looking at the giants, a quiet revolution is brewing in Cupertino. It is small. It is sleek. And it is arguably the most dangerous device Apple has ever designed. For years, the iPad mini was the neglected middle child of the Apple family. It was the device Apple seemed to update only when they felt like it, leaving fans waiting in the dark for years at a time. But something changed behind the closed doors of Apple Park. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They realized that a specific elite group of users, pilots, surgeons, field engineers, and hardcore gamers, don't want a laptop replacement. They want a superpower that fits in the palm of one hand. The iPad mini 8 isn't just a tablet. It's Apple's admission that portability is the ultimate luxury. Why is this device causing such a panic among competitors? Because for the first time in history, Apple is rumored to be removing the speed limit on the mini. We aren't just talking about a recycled chip from last year's iPhone. We are talking about the M-series silicon transition that turns this handheld device into a pocket-sized supercomputer. Imagine having the raw rendering power of a MacBook Pro in a device you can slide into a jacket pocket. This is the iPad mini 8, and it is here to destroy every preconceived notion of what a small tablet can do. Let's talk about the invisible upgrade. You see, the iPad mini has always been about the feel, the way it disappears in your hand. But with the mini 8, the design is shifting towards something much more aggressive. We are looking at a chassis inspired by the Ultra line, rugged, refined, and incredibly thin. But don't let the elegance fool you. Inside, the thermal management system has been completely overhauled. In previous models, putting a high-powered chip in a small frame meant one thing: heat. Your tablet would turn into a brick of hot glass within 20 minutes of gaming. Not anymore. Apple has borrowed cooling technology from their high-end Mac Studio, using a microscopic vapor chamber to ensure that the iPad mini 8 stays cool even when you're exporting 4K ProRes video or playing AAA titles like Resident Evil or Death Stranding at max settings. And then there is the display. The jelly scrolling controversy of the past was a scar on the mini's reputation. Apple heard the screams of the enthusiasts. The iPad mini 8 finally introduces a tandem OLED promotion display. This is the same technology found in the $1,300 iPad Pro. Deep, obsidian blacks. Highlights so bright they make you squint. And a 120 Hz refresh rate that makes every swipe feel like you're touching the future. When you hold this screen next to any other small tablet, the competition looks like a relic from the 1990s. It's not just a screen, it's a window into a digital world that moves as fast as your brain does. But why should you care? If you're an American consumer, you value efficiency. You value the everyday carry philosophy. The iPad mini 8 is the first device that truly replaces the notebook, the Kindle, the gaming console, and the portable monitor in one single move. It is the ultimate third device. You have your phone for quick texts. You have your Mac for heavy work. But the iPad mini 8 is where life happens. It's for the brainstorming session